We're looking at a Shotz Thermal Imaging video for the purpose of looking for air infiltration, missing or poorly installed insulation. The darker colors represent coldness. The brighter orange yellowish colors represent warmer temperatures. As we can see, this big over roof structure, there's a lot of missing insulation and poorly installed insulation. This particular house has an acceptable amount of air infiltration according to the indoor air quality standard. Unfortunately, the lack of insulation is allowing heat loss into the attic area, which creates warmer conditions in the attic and is causing excessive amounts of snow meltage, which results in ice damming and extreme amount of icicles. We can see here in the corner some air infiltration. We also see air infiltration in the tongue and groove ceiling. Although the amount of air infiltration and exfiltration is not excessive, the problem is where the exfiltration is taking place in the ceiling, allowing even more warm air in the wintertime, of course, conditioned air to escape into the attic. The house is working like a chimney, so the air leakage is going right up and into the attic. But as we can see here, all the cold spots, this area right here, this vertical wall, is not insulated. We see some attic access that is not insulated on either side of this great room. And we see a lot of problems here in this ceiling. Those cold spots should not be showing up. A blower door was used to create a negative pressure, a vacuum in the house, to help amplify the situation and to clearly see where air infiltration is taking place and also the insulation that is missing. The attic of this particular home is not ventilated properly as well, trapping warm, moist air into the attic, creating some mold issues. There we see some air infiltration around this chimney of the fireplace there. There's also an air handler, a furnace in the attic with duct leakage occurring, which is also increasing the attic temperatures, causing a warm roof, which also leads to, which is the primary cause of icicles. Recessed lighting is usually a problem. For years and years, builders used an inferior recessed light fixture that could not be insulated and that was not air sealed. That's very typical of most of the homes in this country. They use the inferior light fixture. Some more air infiltration around those recessed lights. A lot of missing insulation in this room. This video is a very good example of poorly installed and missing insulation. Some air infiltration around the molding of the front door.